what have I gotten myself into? So I took off the this back fiberglass panel back here and found some surprises. What I'm most excited about was this this Block Attack Magic card. I think that's a Konami card. Found that. Actually, I found that in here. This is the bad news here. This pillar here, it is pretty well rusted there. Not happy about that. Noticed whoever owned this bus before, that's a new support there, as well as that one there. Now here's the interesting thing, okay? There's a lot of wires here. Why are these here? There's these holes here. Why are those here? There are holes there. Well, I figured it out. I don't even know if I can look through here, but you can see that's one of the new taillights on the outside, or running lights, whatever they're. This has the original end cap on it, but they put a new end cap over it. And when they did that, here's the seam right here. Now this is the original, but there's another one over top of it. You can see where they riveted right here. I don't think they did a very good job sealing along that rivet line. And so there's been water coming from here all the way down into here, and then it's been dripping down here, dripping onto this. Like, I found sheets, here's one, sheets of rust that just came right off from here on the back side of this. What do we got here? There's a dog, she's wondering what I'm up to. Because really what I want to be working on is wiring, but I feel like I really need to have the frame of this solid before I start building too much, which is kind of how all of my projects go. So for right now, I was going to pull off all of this gray paneling here to get down to not bare walls, but, and I think I'm going to leave that up. There might be some rust behind there, here or there, but against me, my better judgment, I don't know that I really want to know right now. This is not going to be my forever bus. She's not much help, but thought I'd give an update on where we're at. Got some aluminum bought. Went to a local place. Geez, I don't know how thick this is. It's thick enough. Should cover 2 of the windows here. So what do we got? Jeez, I am in the middle of about 4 different things. So the thing I've learned about this project is it is all dependent tasks. You can't do one thing before you do another thing. Oh, here she is. She's coming. What? She heard you guys. Coco, say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Yeah, whatever. So, I'm kind of actually right now in the middle of building a scaffold, rolling scaffold, so I can move along and take out the windows, put up the air conditioners, clean it off, climb up there, paint it, all that kind of stuff. Got some tires. I have 2 tires on the side that are completely shot. This one's a little worn down on this inside, but it sounds like these are for the duals, so it's not a big deal. Run the worn down parts on the inside, at least that's what they tell me. What do we got here? All kinds of good stuff. Got my Amos inverter, got an electrical box, got my AC there, got some switches for the interior here, cable for running my batteries, battery cable, it's going to do 24 volt system. Then today, just picked up something else. Give it in here. that. It says Coleman Mach. Got a brand spanking new Coleman Mach 3 Plus. So that's the one that's made to use a little less power. It's a 13,000 BTU air conditioner. The one in there is a Mach 15. That's a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. So, I mean, I've seen upwards of what, 4, 5, even 6 ACs on these things. I'm gonna hope I can get away with 2. We're in a pretty northern climate. I do want to go down to Texas and stuff a couple times, but that's gonna be mostly in the spring and fall because I'm not insane. So let's take a look inside. Got mishmash of things going on. Decided to see what was underneath here. Some rust, but hey, look at that. It's good metal under there, not a big deal. Got all the side most of the side paneling pulled off here. This is where I'm at on my last piece of seat rail. I've had to use an angle grinder, and if you do this, I recommend using a 5-inch disc, because the 5-inch disc will get all the way down to these screw heads. Now, here's also a pro tip. I tried getting these out. I tried an impact, driver, penetrating oil, everything. Problem is, it ends up getting corroded in there. The aluminum and like zinc oxide corrosion. Nothing was breaking it loose. So, the only thing I found is just grind them off. We did, took out this shroud up here, and also removed the destination sign. That was a pain in the butt. So, kind of where I'm at, my first step is, the way I see it, is I need to put in my AC. So I'm planning on, here's my hatch, I'm keeping it. Everyone says keep it, right? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna put it next to this rib. And I'm gonna cut here, and then do some wood support here. I've heard a lot of people do steel supports, but I was looking, I was just curious. If you can see there, that's the weld here, and it goes across this way. So that tells me structurally, this is the more important piece, I'm thinking. Now I mean, they're all extremely important. So where I'm at is, I want to run wiring, but I don't think I can run wiring until I figure out my AC units, where those are going to be, and actually get them mounted. Then once I do that, then I can run the wiring. Then I can knock out some of these windows, skin it. But none of that happens. I can't get the AC units up there until my scaffold's built. So that's what I'm doing. I have an absolute ton of scrap aluminum here. I'm gonna haul that off to the recycler. I'm thinking I've got at least 100 pounds of aluminum here. Right now it looks like it's going for about 50 cents a pound. So, hey, that's 50 bucks. That's, you know, that's something. A week's worth of food for the beast here. All right, let's sign off. So just testing my my RV or my Coleman Mach 15. Looks like she's running well. This is my setup for giving it 12 volts right now. So it goes up to there, splits. So I just have connected the fan, low, and cool options. I suppose I should probably switch it to fan high, but anyway, we're making progress here.